जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 242nd नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम. ओम सत्कर्त्रे नमः. हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that you are the one who honors the good, who worships the good, who blesses the good. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Satkartre Namaha. Om Satkartre Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within your own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Dasaratha Maharaju departed from the body. He is no more. Nobody knows about this fact. Now the sun is slowly getting raised. Day is coming out. All the people, all the servants and great people came to do Suprabhatam to Dasaratha Maharaju, came to awaken Dasaratha Maharaju. There are some people who comes and does so many beautiful sounds. There are some people comes and appreciates all the activities of Dasaratha Maharaju. There are some people comes there and started praising Dasaratha Maharaju Vamsam. There are so many people doing different Mangalakara sounds, auspicious sounds. There are some people, great singers, singing great nice melodious songs. There are some people doing stotra pathas. Everybody prudak, one after one group after one group doing their own activity to help or to awaken Dasaratha Maharaju. Prasada abhoga vistirnaha stuti shabdohi avartata. All these very melodious, auspicious sounds are spreaded all over the entire palace. With those sounds, all the birds also coming out from their small nests and doing their own sounds. There are some great acharyas staying there and doing all the Divya Desha Stotras. They are chanting great prayers. They are chanting the prayers related to all the Punya Tirthas. There are some people who are assigned to do very personal services to Dasaratha Maharaju. Now they started bringing whatever the things are needed for Dasaratha Maharaju to get ready, to get shower, to get dressed up. They brought so many nice, very fragranceful waters to give shower to Dasaratha Maharaju. They brought all those waters in golden tumblers. Some people brought oils. Some people brought brushes to brush the teeth and to goggle the teeth, all the herb and medicinal valued liquids they brought. And there are some people, there are great acharyas, they brought Tirtham from Sri Ranganatha Devalayam, Srimannarayana Devalayam, the temple. And mirrors are arranged, wonderful cloths are arranged, beautiful ornaments are arranged, and everything is kept ready, and people started waiting for Dasharatha Maharaju to get up and come out of the bedroom. People are waiting outside. Dasharatha Maharaju is not coming. It is getting delayed. It is becoming unusual. Some people started doubting what is happening. Some people started getting feared what is happening. Some people thinking that maybe though it is unusual, probably it happens sometimes. Like this, people are thinking in different ways because of the delay that Dasharatha Maharaju, why he is not coming out. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 26th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Suprasadaha Prasannatma Visvasruk Visvabhuk Vibhuhu Satkarta Satkrutaha Sadhuhu Jahnuhu Narayano Naraha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Satkartre Namaha. Om Satkartre Namaha. Om Satkartre Namaha.